Hey, what's going on, guys? I wanted to do a quick book recommendation slash review. Um, and This is a book that's one of the better books probably done on planetary magic. It's Seven Spheres by Rufus Opus. And it's put out by Nephilim Press. And I'll probably leave a link in the description for Nephilim Press. But they also have it on paperback, I believe, still on Amazon. And So it just kind of goes through the planetary spheres, the seven wandering stars, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, the Sun, Mercury, Venus, the Moon. And in this book, he just goes through the planets, their basic function. He writes really well about it. Um, And since today is Thursday, and the last video I did was based on that Jupiter talisman that I made. I just saw it because he's really big on Jupiter in this, so I just thought I would do this quick review. It also goes into the planetary hours and the planetary days of the week. And so if you're going to work the planets in descending order, it's going to be every 5 days. So it'll be Saturday, 5 days later is Thursday, 5 days later is Tuesday, which is Mars. And and then if you work in ascending order, it's every other day. And in this he goes through it in descending order. But if a Monday ever lands on a new moon, you could do an ascending path working that'll only go for 2 weeks and that will finish on the full moon. So it kind of works out perfect like that. This is one of those good cornerstones, and it involves the planetary angels, the ruling angel, archangel for each of the planets. He goes over pretty much everything: the nighttime hours, daytime hours, how to construct a triangle of art, wand, magic circle. Uh, Goes over the layman for the angel and the seal for Jupiter. It also goes through the intelligence of the planets and the spirit of the planets, and there's sigils for that as well. The Orphic hymns. I mean, it pretty much has everything. How to make talismans, incenses, and everything. And I was able to score because it can get really expensive if you're going to buy everything that's needed. But I was able to score planetary oils and incense from a magical shop in New York. I forget the name of the shop, so I probably won't be able to find it and put it in the description to help you guys. But I'm sure more people are making it. And I think the recipe comes from Agrippa's lectures on occult philosophy, which is a common grimoire. This is one of those big cornerstones in magic, is doing planetary magic. And a lot of people, some people get triggered by angels, and some people get triggered by demons, some people get triggered by pagan stuff. But I think the angels or build a really solid foundation, and they will also, without even putting in a lot of work, they will just naturally heal you of a lot of trauma or anything you have going on. The angels are really healing, and you will look younger and healthier working with the angels in just a few months. It's pretty insane how fast they can heal you without even putting the intent to do a healing working. They just naturally heal you on their own. That's just how they are. And so after you stabilize these energies in you, and you've gone through the planets a few times, and you've established that foundation, then you can start building your own path workings. You can take like any pantheon, let's just say the Greek pantheon, and then do the whole same thing, but instead of you working through the angels, you can just go through the Greek gods, like Hermes for Mercury, Zeus for Jupiter, Kronos for Saturn, you know and then just go from there. It'll build that foundation where you can start making your own path workings later on. Rufus Opus. He seems like a cool guy. He's a Taurus, and I'm a Taurus, so that's cool. Uh, I don't know what else to say about the book. Like I said, I think you can get it for about $20 on paperback on Amazon. You can get the hardcover for like $50 on Nephilim Press. I'll try to leave a link in the description. And yeah, Planetary Magic is it's one of those key cornerstones of magic. And yeah, I think every beginner should start off, especially beginning evocations. And evocations is one of those magical techniques that, uh, in a limitless amount of worth and value will come from the art of evocation. It's one of those things you pretty much have to learn evocation if you want to be successful in magic, in my opinion. So anyway, I wish you all the best. Like, subscribe, share, I don't know, all that stuff. And I wish you guys all the best on your magical journey. And peace out.